Only to inaugurate Yug Dharma Harinam Sankirtan and globally distribute Krishna Prem is not the main objective of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's advent, who is the combined form of Srimati Radharani and Shyama Sundar. Just like we understand from the beginning of Chaitanya Charitamrita Adi Leela that killing the demons like Kamsa and Ravan and rescuing his devotees were not the main purpose of Sri Krishna's advent. Those killing activities were conducted by the plenary expansions of Sri Krishna called Sri Vishnu. Sri Vishnu kills demon and protects the devotees, but Sri Krishna never kills the demons or never kills anyone. So similarly, the purpose of advent of the most magnanimous incarnation of Sri Krishna, adoring the supreme ecstasy Mahabhav of Radharani, is not just to establish Yuga Dharma, Harinam Sankirtan, as mostly popularized these days. Because we understand from the history that distributing pure Krishna Prem in the mood of Braja Bhakti was done by many acharyas like Jayadev Goswami almost 300 years before Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's advent. Madhavendra Puri of 14th century Rasik saint was actually an embodiment of love of Sri Krishna, and there were so many such great devotees of Sri Krishna even before Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, who overflowed the entire Bharatvarsha with pure love of Krishna and who preached Yuga Dharma Harinam Sankirtan all over Bharatvarsha. Just to distribute love of Krishna and preach Yuga Dharma Harinam Sankirtan, Krishna himself doesn't need to come. Yes, try to understand this point, dear devotees. Just to preach Yuga Dharma Harinam Sankirtan, Krishna doesn't need to come here. Actually, his one pure devotee can do this task, as Srila Prabhupada did it single-handedly worldwide. We can see that. The reason why Sri Krishna advent himself embodied with Srimati Radharani's Mahabhav is to preach the glory of Radhika Rani. Yes, this is the reason why Sri Krishna advent himself embodied with Radharani's Mahabhav is to preach the glory of Radhika Rani. How much Radharani loves Sri Krishna, how much she is merciful, and how to take the shelter of her most compassionate lotus feet to teach this secret message to the conditioned soul and distribute the supreme mercy of Radhika Rani. Lord Chaitanya accepted the mood of Radhika Rani and tested himself also here. This secret has been revealed by a very intimate associate of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu named Vasudev Ghosh. He wrote a very beautiful poem revealing the inner spirit of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's advent. He wrote, Yadi gaur na hoito tabe ki hoito ki mone dhari tam de Radhar mahima prem rasa sima jagate jana toke. The meaning of this wonderful poem is that if Lord Gaura had not appeared as the Yuga Avatara in this age of Kali, then what would have become of us? How could we have tolerated livings? Who in this universe would have ever learned about the topmost limits of loving mellows that comprise the glory of Radharani? Yes, the essence of this bhajan is who can understand the glory of Radharani if Lord Chaitanya didn't come here to distribute the glory of Radharani, to preach the glory of Radharani. This is one out of many such revelation of inner purpose of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's advent. Even Sat Goswamis of Vrindavan like Rupa Raghunath also revealed this secret from their divine writings. So only those fortunate souls who are being supremely blessed by Radhika Rani herself can understand the inner mission of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu only by her mercy, no other way. Just to participate in Yuga Dharma Harinam Sankirtan, even dogs and cats, trees and creepers can do that. And Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu demonstrated this inside the dense forest of Jharkhand, where even tigers and deer dance together in Harinam Sankirtan, forgetting their enmity. But to understand the supreme mellow of Radharani, not all can participate. It's only for those who are supremely blessed by her. जय श्री राधे, श्रील प्रभुपाद की जय, हरे कृष्ण। उत्कृष्ट आध्यात्मिक जानकारीहरूका लागि नेपालकै पहिलो शुद्ध आध्यात्मिक च्यानल टिभी लजिकल कृष्णलाई सब्स्क्राइब गर्न नभुल्नुहोला र हरेक अपडेट्सका लागि यो बेल आइकन पनि दबाइदिनुहोला।